Welcome to our assembly instruction for our weather vane. This morning we're going to be building the this morning assisting us is my 11-year-old daughter Poppy, and she's going to show you how it's made. What we're going to start off first with is assembling the main cog. Poppy, if you'd care. A little bit of glue in the recess. Slide the cog in, stand it up straight and make sure it's very square on top of. Right, here we are, we've given that 5 minutes to dry. Poppy's just going to put the tail fin in. Literally just one dab of glue is all you need to hold it in place. And that simply slots in the pre-printed slot. Perfect. Now we're going to add the main character. Just a little bit of glue on the bottom of his boots. And onto the model it goes. There's a little line just in front of where the man's toe is. The camera won't pick it up, but that's where the toe of his boot goes. There you are, and we'll come back to that in 5 minutes after it's glued. This is where we're going to stick the spindle to the bottom. There's a little mark underneath. This is where it'd be helpful just holding it.
I've asked my dad to do the next bit because the wire's a little bit strong for my fingers.
So all we do is do that and bend the wire down. Perfect. There you are, that's all together now. Just give it a spin, make sure all the bits move freely. If you want, you can cut that bit off, but you haven't got to. It just tidies it up a bit. Now we're ready for the propeller. Printed and drilled hole. A couple of little drops into the hole. Perfect. Then onto the axle. Push it all the way in, it's all pre-cut. Excellent. And we'll let that dry. Here we are, we've mounted the pole onto my shed, just 4 screws. The pole's upright. That just slides over the top.